Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Friday 17th of June, and we are looking at some particular morning star, but the question really is this morning star really sustainable? Are we actually trying to reverse to the upside or not? We're going to actually get the clues and the ideas of every single little details that we want to make to find the clue. Okay, so for me guys, trading is all about looking at the patterns. We cannot actually judge the reversal just because of a morning star. And as a matter of fact, this is a 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to start off with the 4-hour time frame so that we can get into the daily as well. So let's get started and let's get into the operation of the 4-hour time frame. Now, previously, I talked about how the daily looks like. Before I actually talk about the 4-hour, I just want to give one small comment on the daily, and that is it could be that you went to the downside, made a bear flag, and you went to the upside. Actually, it's on the 4-hour time frame, not even the not the daily, but the 4-hour time frame. So this was the bear flag. Just like that, you went to the downside, came up for the retest, got rejected, and you're still looking to come down basically to that $17,000. One more thing is that's the 4-hour time frame, and it's a downtrend continuing. You still haven't invalidated that the downtrend of the bear flag. For that one, I told you previously in the videos that you must really come up here and break the 22,775, and if you try to break $22,775, that's where you can actually make that move to the upside, and that will be feasible to say that, hey, okay, we're looking to go upside. Okay, that's the number one thing. It's just a refresher of the what do you call this one, the refresher of the bear flag. Summer is already upon us, okay? The summer heat is already upon us. And let me tell you one thing, the bears actually living in a cold area. The bears live in winters, okay? And we've already seen winter bears coming in, stepping down, pushing the red candles upside, downside to the South Pole. I don't think that the bears are actually going to be surviving that much during the summers, okay? So maybe bulls are actually excited during the summers. It's all about bottoming of Bitcoin in summers, and then we pick to the upside from there. I do think down the road we're going to actually pick Bitcoin to $82,000 with full esteem, because let me tell you one thing, the down you go, the higher you go, based on data and based on history, okay? Not my own words. Now the thing is, the next thing that I want to talk about on a 4-hour time frame that is very important to notice is that tomorrow, number one, is going to be Saturday. Friday is today, 17th of June. What if I told you that this is still another bear flag here with 3 black rows, something like this and this? Do you see that? Something like that. Listen guys, you went to the downside, you made a little bit of a sideways movement. What's the technical target? And you can see right now, you broke out of it. This morning star might be nothing else than the retest of that bear flag. Do you see that? And this could be the last point of the pump. And when you pump to this place, you get rejected and then you go down. But where are you going to go down during the weekends? That's the question. The answer to that is you take this to the bottom, just like that, and then you place this one like this. And you're going to see this thing breaking out completely, going down to 19,066 probably is where Bitcoin is looking to drop to the downside. So this candlestick doesn't really mean reversal, even though it's a reversal pattern. But I told you so many times in the video, when you see a bullish pattern on a resistance, it probably won't work. And it happened before as well. Now, in my opinion, my take is you get rejected here, you roll over, and you go down to $19,000. What if this one doesn't happen? What if things get bullish all of a sudden? Because you're not guaranteed anything. But if invalidation happens, and they do happen, then you're looking for this pattern right now. This is the resistance that I will be looking forward to. Something like this. You made a touch here, 2 touches here. It would even make sense to come up here. That means you're breaking the bear flag itself. If you do go up here, you find resistance at the 22,176. But the story doesn't really end there. You have to cross the resistance line, which is going to be this level, and back test it. Once you back test it, maybe by Monday, if the new week starts and you get that relief rally to the upside, then you're looking for Bitcoin to go from there to there. Wherever this breaks out, you're going to look for a nice good rise from there to there. That's going to be 24,000, nearly 25,000 will be the target for Bitcoin if that resistance gets broken. Otherwise, my take right now, we go step by step, is that unless you don't really break this level, you see that that's some sort of a flag here. There's a little bit of a flag right there, a confluence here that actually is going to put me in doubt. So by the next candle actually opens up in 12 minutes. So this could be another green lollipop, just the way I say, I just like to say green lollipops all the time. So you might actually come here, make a little bit of green lollipop, get the retail investors excited once again. And then from here, boom, push to the downside. Now anything can happen, guys, anything can happen. Finger crossed. Tomorrow, Saturday, today, Friday, I'm not going to vouch Bitcoin on a Saturday. Now that was the 4-hour time frame. Let's go and dive into the daily. And let's look how the daily really looks like. All right, so another factor of the daily is that we can make the fact that, not even a fact, but you can see on the daily, this one does really look like a preserved bear flag for you right there. Do you see that? A bear flag. And if you will even go up here, maybe back to $22,000, get rejected at $22,000 and still roll to the downside. If this is a daily bear flag, then guys, you're looking for Bitcoin to really drop from that place to there, and you might be looking Bitcoin until next week to drop all the way down here to $15,200, and you have to be careful. I think, as far as I know, and sorry for these tractors, guys, I just moved into a new place recently. So basically, the daily time frame can actually tell me that you're still looking to even drop to this level, which is going to be the $15,000, and that actually is a technical target even that is on a monthly time frame. So if I show you the BLX, the monthly double top still takes you to 15K. So let's look at that one very quickly. Go into the monthly here. Amazing. Wow, look at this, guys. And as a matter of fact, guys, there's one more thing that I want to talk about. And I just noticed this one, which I haven't talked about in the previous videos. I might even talk in the detail maybe in the next coming videos. But really, guys, you've never lost this trend line ever since 2011. That's crazy. That's really, really, really crazy. Bitcoin might be in a very big, dangerous position, guys. And not only that, you are still putting in a 3 black crows, guys. This is very dangerous, guys. This is really, really dangerous, I'm telling you. That's not a very good sign. I mean, look at this support here. Support number 1, support number 2, number 3, you touched it and finally you lost it. You've never lost Bitcoin on this level in the past 11 years, guys. You never did this. What is going on, man? That's really hard to answer right now. This is something that I wasn't really expecting. But anyway, I was talking about the double top on the monthly time frame. So let's bring in the monthly double top here. So this was your first top, second top. You got your nice, beautiful neckline right over there. And that technical target takes you from the top here to the bottom. And boom, this is where you're breaking out. And probably you're looking for $19,000 actually. So yeah, it's not 15,000, it was actually 19,000. I think if you actually count the wicks as well, then it's actually $15,000. And that's it for this update, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. And our signals entry are going to be closed by the next almost, what do you call this, in 13 days. So you do have the whole June to join Signal for $10 for July. If you want to join it, do check out the video for the agreement or message me on the Discord, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.